how to auto scroll on TikTok. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can basically go ahead and then auto scroll on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to auto scroll on TikTok, this feature currently is only available for iPhones or iOS devices, which means that if you are an Android user, you will not be able to implement this feature. So all you have to do is go ahead and make sure to update the TikTok app to the latest version and then open the TikTok application here. If you'd like to autoplay this video so that it can auto scroll and then actually move on to the next one and the next one after that, it's very simple. Just go ahead and long press on it, and then here you'll find this feature known as auto scroll. Tap on it. Now you can see auto scroll has actually been enabled, which means that now if I move to the end of the video like this, right, and then I just play the video, after that is going to automatically scroll, as you can see. Again, for this also, if I move to the end of this video over here and then I just leave it at that, this video is actually going to get auto scroll to the next one, as you would be able to find it here. And this way you can auto scroll on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.